Hello, thanks for joining us back in the lab. We're here to help you make the most of your 3D printers and allow you to deliver the best product to your customers. You have questions, we have answers. In today's video, we will be covering post-curing, the importance to following recommended curing guidelines, and how Keystone qualifies each individual curing unit. As a disclaimer, Keystone only recommends using keyprint-compatible curing units and curing times, which can all be found on our website, to give you the confidence that you are producing a safe and effective product for the end user. The curing unit is one of the most important aspects in the 3D workflow, as this step determines if the final product will meet accuracy, physical, and biocompatible standards. Keystone undergoes continuous testing with the top curing units on the market to offer the best workflows and best conditions for each of our keyprint resins. We work with the top manufacturers and all printer partners to ensure testing is conducted in a safe, compliant manner. During our validation process, we test several curing conditions in each desired curing unit to determine the optimal curing time for that workflow. All compatible curing units and curing times can be found right here on our website. If you have any questions or issues with your 3D workflow, feel free to join our Facebook group for updates and to talk to the technical team directly. We do hope this took away some of the mystery surrounding post-curing your 3D printed parts. If this information was useful to you, leave us a like. It lets us know that what we're doing is making a difference. As always, have a great day. Should you need any more help, you can find us here, back in the lab.